Hello friends, in this video we are going to see the slides in MS PowerPoint. So first we will see how to add a new slide, how to duplicate the slide, how to rearrange the slide and how to delete the slide. First, uh, where is the option of slide? If you click on the home tab, there is an option of slides available over here. Here there is an option of new slides, layout, reset and the section. First we will see the new slide. If you click on the new slide just like this, it will give you multiple options over here. Now if you want a title slide, you can use it. Title and content, section header, comparison, whichever slide you want, just click over there and it will get inserted in your next slide. So that is the use of new slide. Now the duplicate the selected side. If I want to duplicate the selected side, just click over there and duplicate it. It will get duplicated from here. Next one is the slides from outline. If you click over there, it will take a slides which is saved previously somewhere else in your document. So that is the use of outline and the reuse of slides. If you want to reuse the slides, you can use the reuse option. So that is the use of new slides. If you want a shortcut for it, then just press the Ctrl plus M and new slide will get inserted in your presentation. Next one is the layout. Just click on the layout and it will show the layout. If you want to put any layout in a different slide, you can use just like this. For the third slide, I have given a comparison layout. You can see here a comparison layout. Next one is the reset layout. It will reset the position and the size and the formatting of slide. If you click over there like this, it will do the reset. So whichever formatting you have done for that slide, it will get removed or reset. So that is the use of reset. Next one is the section. Now I have a presentation with multiple slides and I want to make a section like an introductory section, then the explanation section. Now this part is my introductory section. So I will click on that slide, click on the section and add a section. Now you can see here there is an untitled section. I have to click over there like this. Click, right click, rename the section. Here you can rename introduction and rename. Now next I want to put a section over here. Then click on the section, add a section, or here I will write a body or a explanation section like this and rename it. Now here you can see I have created a two sections. First one is the introduction section and second one is the explanation section. Now if you click on the section again, if you want you can rename it. If you want to remove the section, you can remove it. If you want to collapse all the section, just click on the collapse. All section will be collapsed. Now here you can see the introduction section has a one slide and the explanation section has the three slides. Next option is the expand all. If you want to expand all the section, click over there, it will get expanded. Next one is the remove section. If you want to remove any section at any point of time, just click on that section and remove section. Now if I want to remove all section which I have in my presentation, then remove all section, then all section will be removed. So this way you can use the section option. So how we add the new slide? Just click on the new slide, and if you want a shortcut key for it, then Ctrl plus M. If you want to duplicate it, there is an option available, duplicate the slide. Just select the slide which you want to duplicate and click on the duplicate slide. Then if you want to rearrange the slide, then you have to go inside a view and the slide sorter. For more information about the presentation view, there is a separate video available on our channel. Just see that video. So whenever you want to rearrange the slide, then you have to click on the slide sorter. Now from here you can just drag it and drop it like this, and you can see the slide 2 converted into the 3 and the 3 is converted into the 4. Now this one also I want to move to the 4, then just drag it and drop it. So in this way you can rearrange the slide. Now if I want to delete any slide inside my presentation, then I have to just select it and simply press the delete button and it will get deleted. So in this way what we have seen in this video is how to add the new slide, how to take the different themes available on MS PowerPoint, how to duplicate the slides, how to rearrange the slide, and how to delete the slides. Thank you.